Good morning everyone. In previous video we have done question number 1 and 2. Today we will do question number 3 and 4. Okay. So let's start with the question number 3 first. So question number 3 is the management of a certain factory had 25,40,600 rupees in the labor welfare fund. From this fund, 12,37,865 rupees were used for medical expenses. 8,42,317 rupees were spent on the education of the workers' children, and the remaining was put aside for a canteen. How much money was put aside for the canteen? Okay. It means एक फैक्ट्री के मैनेजमेंट के पास लेबर वेलफेयर फंड में टोटल 25,40,600 रुपीज़ है. लेबर वेलफेयर फंड मीन्स फ्रॉम दिस फंड दे हेल्प लेबर्स मतलब मजदूर. ओके. फ्रॉम दिस फंड 12,37,865 रुपीज़ वे यूज फॉर मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस. मतलब उसमें से उन्होंने 12,37,865 रुपीज़ मजदूर के मेडिकल के ऊपर खर्च किया है. ओके. And 8,42,370 rupees were spent on the education of the workers' children. मतलब उन्होंने 8,42,317 रुपीज़ मजदूर के बच्चों के पढ़ाई के लिए खर्चा किया है. Got it? And the remaining was put aside for a canteen. और जो भी पैसे बच गए उन्होंने कैंटीन के लिए निकाल दिया है. Done? Question is हाउ मच मनी वॉज पुट असाइड फॉर द कैंटीन. हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि कितने रुपीज़ कैंटीन के लिए साइड में रखा गया है. डन. सो टू फाइंड दिस फर्स्ट वी विल ऐड मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस एंड मनी स्पेंड ऑन द एजुकेशन फॉर द वर्कर्स चिल्ड्रन. ओके. देन वी विल गेट टोटल अमाउंट स्पेंड फॉर मेडिकल and education. Got it? Then we will subtract that amount from total labor welfare fund. After that we will get the amount kept aside for canteen. Understood everyone? So first I will write here medical expenses. Medical expenses total 12,37,865. So 1 rupees 1 2 3 7 8 6 5. Okay. Then we will add to this education for workers children. Education for workers children is total 8,42,317 rupees. So I am writing the number from unit place. So 7 1 3 2 4 and 8. Okay. We will add them to find the total amount spent for medical and education. Okay. So starting from right hand side, from unit place, 5 plus 7 is 12. So 2 down and carried forward 1. Here 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 down, carried forward 1. Done. And 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 down, carried forward 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 will be 8. 2 plus 8 10. 0 down, carried forward 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get rupees 20,80,182 for this is what this is total amount spent for medical and education. Okay, now I will write here spend for medical and education. Okay, now we will subtract this amount from labor welfare fund, means from 25,40,600 rupees. So first I will write here labor welfare fund. So labor welfare fund is 25,40,600. So 2 5 4 0 6 0 0. Okay, then we will minus from this money spent for medical and education. Okay, so total money spent for medical and education is 20,80,182 rupees. So rupees, again I am writing the number from right hand side from unit place. So 2 will come here, 8 1 0 8 0 and 2. Okay, we will subtract them. Now 0 minus 2 is impossible. We will borrow from this 0. So again it is impossible, we can't borrow 1 from this 0, right? So we will borrow directly from this 6. So this 6 will become 5 and this 0 will become 10. Now we can borrow 1 from this 10, right? So this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Understood? Now 10 minus 2 is 8 and 9 minus 8 is 1. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. 0 minus 0 will be 0 only. Again 4 minus 8 is impossible. So we will borrow 1 from this 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 4 will become 14. Understood? Now this 14 minus 8 is 6 and here 4 minus 0 will be 4 only. 2 minus 2 will be 0. Got it? So we get rupees 4,60,418. This is what? This is the money kept aside for canteen. Understood everyone? Now we will write our final answer in sentence as rupees 4,60,418 put aside for the canteen. Done? Understood everyone? Now last question, that is question number 4. For a 3-day cricket match, 13,608 tickets were sold on the first day and 8,955 on the second day. If altogether 36,563 tickets were sold in the 3 days, how many were sold on the third day? Okay, it means एक 3 दिन के क्रिकेट मैच में टोटल 36,563 टिकट सेल हुए थे 3 दिन में एंड 13,608 टिकट्स पहले दिन सेल हुए थे. ओके, एंड सेकेंड डे पे 8,955 टिकट सेल हुए थे. ओके, क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी टिकट्स वेर सोल्ड ऑन द थर्ड डे. वी हैव टू फाइंड कि कितने टिकट्स तीसरे दिन सेल हुए थे. गॉट इट? सो टू फाइंड दिस, first we will add tickets sold on first day and tickets sold on second day. Okay, then we will get total tickets sold on first and second day. Then we will subtract that from tickets sold in 3 days, means from 36,563. After that we will get the total tickets sold on third day. Okay, understood? We will write tickets sold on first day, that is 13,608. So 13608. Okay, then we will add tickets sold on second day. Okay, so tickets sold on second day is 8,955. I am writing it from right hand side from unit place. So 5, 5, 9 and 8. Okay, we will add them to find the total tickets sold on first and second day. So starting from unit place, 8 plus 5 is 13, 3 down, carried forward 1. Now 1 plus 5 will be 6, 6 plus 9 is 15, 5 down, carried forward 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12, 2 down, carried forward 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so we get total tickets sold on first and second day is 22,563. Okay, we will write here two tickets sold on first and second days. Okay, now we will subtract it from total tickets sold in 3 days, that is from 36,563. So I am writing here total tickets sold in 3 days as tickets sold in 3 days, that is 36,563. So 3, 6, 5, 6, 3. Okay, now we will minus from this tickets sold on first and second day, that is 22,563. Okay, so tickets sold in 2 days is 22,563. So I am writing the number from right hand side from unit place. So 3 will come here, 6, then 5, then 2, and then again 2. Okay, we will subtract it. Then starting from right hand side from unit place, 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 minus 6 is again 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 3 minus 2 will be 1. So we get 14,000, that is what? This is tickets sold on third day. Understood? So we will write our final answer as 14,000 tickets sold on the third day. Okay, understood everyone? So students, you have to copy all these 4 questions in your notebook. Okay, thank you.